This is Sassy. 3-year-old gold Champagne Tennessee walking horse mare. And man, does she have a deluxe gait. This is an outrageously comfortable horse to ride. If you've got a bad back and you don't want something that's as big as a mountain to crawl up on, but you want to ride Trigger, here she is. Not marish, head full of sense. Just had her going by a grader on the road, all by herself out here too. Man, this mare can pick them up and put them down. She's bred by my farrier that lives down in Tennessee, and he is a real walking horse guy. I mean, this is not, he doesn't sell horses, he's a farrier, but he stands a stallion that's very old time bred, and because that stallion is out of another friend of mine named Billy Siddharth, Chief's Preacher King is what this goes back to. Anyway, these are real walking horses. This is what they were bred for. This is not a show ring padded up horse. This is what they were going for. Beautiful, calm, smooth as silk, and with a head full of sense. I'm Melissa Bailey, and this is Stacy, and this is Stacy's riding Sassy Ann. Our number's 540-303-0569.